Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to log out of Facebook on all devices. And first of all, we are going to launch our Facebook application. From here, we are going to tap on our menus and we are going to tap on the gear icon. We're going to tap on see more in account center. And then we're going to tap on password and security. And then we are going to tap on change password. And you're going to choose the account. And in the case that we do know our password, you're going to input it here. Then you're going to put now a new password, and the new password that we type in here, we are going to type it here. And in the case that you did forget your password, you're just going to tap on this, forgot your password, and it's going to send you a code to your Gmail, and you will be able to create a new password. Another alternative you can try is go back. Then you're going to tap on where you're logged in. I'm going to choose my account. And then, as you can see, we have this one, and we can actually decide to tap on select devices to log out, or we can actually decide to check on this device. In the case that we don't know this device, or in the case that we don't know, we're just going to tap on Logout, and you'll be able to log them off from our account. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.